You're listening to Sparks Creative Stories, our audio podcast. This story is called Hard to Hug You in a Hammock, written by Sheila Cowley and performed by Ned Averill-Snell.
It is hard to hug you in a hammock, but so easy to squeeze you when we play parcheesi in a treehouse. It's tricky to tickle you atop a tricycle, but so easy oscillating with you on an ostrich in the ocean. Oh, so strenuous to sidle up to you when we're on a seesaw, and such hard work to wiggle with you on a water slide that's wildly unwinding in windy weather. But among the jolly geriatric jugglers, it's so easy to canoodle with you in a cool canoe. I just want to snuggle up with you inside a snowstorm. But I always wind up in a perilous parade upon a pirate ship. Perhaps I should just try to touch you. But then there's this trampoline I can't resist. Atop it, I attempt to do the tango with a tuba, and I get too tangled to just simply whisper, maybe I can move you? To achieve the cha-cha on a splendid steamroller. Oh, stop it. Far too fanciful to tempt you to step 1 foot closer. Okay, one more. That's it. Until I can just say, hey, I love you, and I need a hug. Please put that portly platypus, someplace else, and squeeze me hard. No, harder. Well, not that hard. Okay, that's it. Yes. So I feel like I'm inside your sweater with your cold nose in my... Hang on. Here's the dog. You want to take a walk? I hope that you just hold my hand.
Thank you for listening to our Sparks Creative Stories podcast. We hope you'll subscribe and share it with your friends. Hard to Hug You in a Hammock is written by Sheila Cowley and performed by Ned Averill-Snell, directed by Jim Rayfield. You can find an illustrated version on our Sparks Creative Stories YouTube channel. Our theme song is performed by David Waterman at David Waterman Music, produced and arranged by Jim Beckwith. We made this Sparks Creative Story because we tried to hug our friend Matt when he was napping in a hammock, and it's harder than you'd think. You can find us at sparkscreativestories.com and use the contact page to let us know what kind of story you'd like.